Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will look at why is your refrigerator's fresh food compartment warm?
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
A warm refrigerator is never a good situation. It could lead to spoiled food and potentially having to dump everything in the fridge for your family's safety. While this could indicate some repair work being needed, there are a few things that you can check on your own to cool your fridge back down. If your refrigerator is too warm in the fresh food section, simply adjust your temperature control one setting at a time, and then allow 24 hours for it to stabilize. It's more common than you think that this dial or keypad is bumped or changed by a child, which is why this is the first place to investigate. Check the refrigerator compartment to make sure that you are not blocking the incoming air dampener assembly. This is typically located in the back of the fresh food compartment and is easily blocked by those forgotten items pushed to the rear of the fridge. If it is blocked with food or packages, it will not allow for adequate air circulation and would result in warmer temperatures. Have a look at both your fresh food and freezer door seals. Check them all the way round and look for visible signs of damage, ripped seals that have missing magnets, or areas that are not sealing tight against the cabinet. If your door seal is damaged, you will need to replace it. Luckily, this is a very easy repair, and we have numerous videos on ApplianceVideo.com showing the door seal replacement on most of the top brands of refrigerators. If your door seal is not damaged, make sure the door is closing properly. It needs to have a tight seal around both the freezer and refrigerator section. Make sure there is no food on shelves or drawers that are restricting the door from closing all the way. Sometimes you may also find in top freezer refrigerators that if the freezer or fresh food door is forcefully shut or slammed, it could slightly open the opposite door, causing inadequate cooling. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.